Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. I'm just going to do a quick video right here. And I want to test this new microphone that I got. That I actually like a lot. For a couple reasons. Now, I don't know the name. I'll put it here on the screen. I got it from Amazon. And I got it from somebody that recommended. Another YouTuber, pretty big channel, was talking about it. And he talked about this microphone. It was like $7. That's ridiculous. If it works the right way, I guess I'll buy a few then and I'll put them in my stock. In case this one break, I'll have another one. So, again, you know, I may cut into a little picture here, kind of to show it to you guys. Maybe some B-rolls or maybe me in the garage or something like that. Just kind of giving you a look of how it looks and stuff like that. Let me do a check or a test. Like I said, hopefully it works. The biggest thing that I like so far is the fact that it has really not a cable. It's kind of like a I don't know, like a boom or something, like a flexible thing that you could just put in your helmet. And the way that it sits in the helmet, it sits so well because it's just like I said, it's like a kind of like a boom style microphone. It's really not a cable, and it does come with the foam to be able to, you know, buffer some of that air. Now, it's not your basic dead cat, you know, the fussy little thing that goes in the microphones. It's not one of those, and I don't know how it's gonna sound. I may have to put one of those because you guys know I'm in a motorcycle, so obviously it's a little bit more difficult. But nevertheless, if I don't, it's gonna be even better. Because the thing about it is that little dead cat, it kind of gets in your mouth and it's really a pain on the butt to, you know, to have inside the helmet. It's just annoying, really annoying. So anyways, hopefully this microphone works. Let me know what you think about the quality. Let's kind of do a test right now, kind of like talking with, you know, obviously my chill is down, my visor is down, and I'm just driving pretty decent speed right now, right? So this is kind of what I will be doing, just regularly riding my motorcycle and doing one of this. So hopefully it sounds good. At the same time, if you guys got any comments, or if you guys use any microphone that you really use, put it down in the comment section below. The last one that I was using is the Purple Panda, I think. That works okay. A lot of times I feel like I'm screaming, but I think it's just the simple fact that I'm talking inside a helmet. It's kind of weird. So again, hopefully this is sound right. Let's try to pick up some speed just to see the differences, how it sounds. I'm gonna kind of shut up right now just so you can see how the bike sounds. See if it makes a difference or anything like that. I'll tell you what, guys, if you have a saddle, man, step up. I actually got to do a video about it, kind of do an update. But if you leave the bike in the sun all day, when you sit on it, wow, your butt is going to be hot. Just keep in mind, if you decide to get this microphone right here, there's going to be other attachments that you need. Obviously, some of the GoPro requires that block that you got to get. This GoPro 4 does not, but it did require another cable. The whole thing about TRSS to TRS, something like that. Again, I don't know which one it was, but you know, it could not be plugging straight to the GoPro. I needed to have a different cable. So again, I'm not gonna get into this so much because again, depending what GoPro you have, it's pretty much the system that you need to have. So everyone is gonna have a different system, and everybody's gonna need different requirements. But again, I hope it sounds good. I don't know. You guys tell me. If you guys don't see this video on my channel, it's because it sounds horrible. If you see it in my channel, obviously it was good enough. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.